Stop right there, listen carefully, because this moment could change your entire life forever if you truly feel this deep inside your heart right now. I know you feel lost sometimes, broken, tired, questioning everything, but inside you there's a fire, waiting, screaming, begging to be unleashed right now. You have cried in silence, fought battles nobody saw, carried pain alone, yet you are still standing, and that means something powerful lives inside you.
The world may doubt you, ignore you, even laugh at you, but your story is not finished. Your breakthrough is closer than you ever imagined before. Pain you feel today is shaping you, building strength, carving greatness, turning your wounds into power, but only if you refuse to give up now. Every tear you have cried holds energy, every struggle carries meaning, and every dark moment is preparing you for a future brighter than your fears.
You don't need perfect conditions, you don't need approval, you need courage to stand up again, even when your heart feels heavy and broken inside. Feel that doubt, let it shake you, but don't let it stop you, because your dreams are worth every ounce of pain you endure. There is a version of you waiting, stronger, fearless, unstoppable, but that version only appears when you decide to push beyond your limits today. Discipline will hurt, growth will challenge you, but staying the same will destroy you slowly. So choose pain that builds you instead of pain breaking you. You deserve more than average, more than fear, more than excuses, but only if you are willing to fight for it with everything you have. Look at your life, feel that urgency, because time is slipping away, and every second you wait is a second your dreams are fading slowly. Stand up right now, feel that energy rising inside your chest, that fire, that hunger, that unstoppable force that refuses to let you quit. Say it loudly and strongly. Keep lively. Say drop. I will not quit. I will rise no matter how hard this journey becomes for me. Because this is your moment, your life, your story, and if you fight with everything, nothing in this world can ever stop you now.